Too much energy today. Let's move slowly and breathe. Just copy what I do. Let's sit down slowly. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Sit comfortably, relax and breathe.
Good. Reach up to the sky. Breath in and smile. Very good.
Sit comfortably. Lift one arm. Gently stretch to the side.
Very good.
Same pose. Now lift the other arm. Gently lean to the other side.
Excellent. Now let's move the next exercise.
Stretch your legs. Bend forward gently. Breathe out and relax. Relax and breathe.
Excellent.
Now look at me. Sit down like me. We are now in cat pose. You are doing great. Now, we are in cow pose.
Do it just like me.
Awesome. Let's keep going. Stretch like a puppy. Push the floor away. Breathe in and out.
Excellent.
Now we're going to do camel pose. Knees on the ground, body upright, hands on hips. Slowly bend backwards. You are doing great. Lift your legs. Find your balance. Strong core, strong mind. Hold like a hero. Don't give up. Breathe.
Excellent.
Squat down. Place one hand on the floor. Raise the other hand up. Twist your body and look up.
Very good.
Now, the other side. Place your other hand on the floor. Raise the opposite arm up. Twist and look up. All done. Rest like a little child. Breathe slowly. Feel calm and safe. You are doing very well. Lie down comfortably. Let's sleep. Let's rest peacefully.
We have completed the yoga exercises with you. You did very well. Did you like our yoga today? Like and subscribe for more fun yoga.